Hi there, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to crochet a granny square. Plus I'll show how easy it is to change colors without having to sew in all the ends. You'll need to already know how to crochet a chain, single crochet, and double crochet for this granny square. I'm using scraps of worsted weight yarn and a size H hook. To begin, place a slip knot on your hook and leave about 4 inches of yarn for the tail end. Chain 6. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 3, which counts as the first double crochet. We're going to weave in that tail end by crocheting over it for this round. Now we'll make 2 more double crochet stitches. This will total 3 double crochet stitches. Create the first corner by chaining 3 and make 3 more double crochet stitches. Create the second corner by chaining 3 and make 3 more double crochet stitches. Make the third corner by chaining 3, 3 more double crochet, and finally chain 3 and slip stitch to the top of the original chain 3 to complete the fourth and final corner. Take out your scissors and leave about a 4-inch tail end. Then chain 1 and pull tightly to knot and secure. Since we crocheted around this starting tail end to weave it in, we can just fasten off the yarn. For our next round, place a slip knot on your hook with the 4-inch tail end. In the next corner, insert your hook and make a slip stitch. We're going to crochet over this new orange tail end to weave it in. Chain 3, which will count as a double crochet. This space is a corner space. All corner spaces follow a similar pattern. Make 2 more double crochet stitches. And remember to crochet over that tail end. Then chain 3. And make 3 more double crochet in that corner space. You can see what the first corner now looks like. Since we wove in that tail end, we can fasten it off. By the way, this other pink tail end, we'll just crochet over that later. Since we're now working on a side, we just chain 2. Now we're working on the second corner. We do pretty much what we did in the first corner. Start with 3 double crochet stitches. Chain 3 and 3 more double crochet stitches, all in that same corner space. You can see what it looks like. Next, we have another side, so we'll just do a chain 2 at this time. And we have a third corner next. We do the 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet in it. Now we have another side, so we'll just chain 2. And for our last corner, we'll crochet over that first round's pink tail end. So we'll do our 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet stitches in this corner, while at the same time weaving in that pink end. Trim the pink end tail. Since we have one side left, we'll just chain 2 and slip stitch to the top of the original chain 3. Fasten off the orange. Chain 1 and pull through tightly to secure it. And we'll crochet over that tail end on the next round. For the next round, place a slip knot on your hook. Slip stitch into the corner. Then we chain 3, which counts as 1 double crochet. Crochet over that tail end as before. Make 2 more double crochet stitches. Chain 3 and 3 double crochet in this corner. Then we can trim that tail end since we crocheted over it. Now we have a longer side than before. Over the previous 3 double crochet, we make a chain 2. And in the previous chain 2 space, we make 3 double crochet. And then over the previous 3 double crochet, we make a chain 2. And that completes our first side. Now in the corner, we do our normal corner stitches, consisting of 3 double crochet, 3 chains, and 3 double crochet. Now for side 2, we start with the chain 2 over the previous 3 double crochet. Then in the previous chain 2 space, we do 3 double crochet stitches. Then over the previous 3 double crochet, we do a chain 2. And then we do our corner stitches. And for the next side, we follow the same pattern that we did on side 1 and 2. Remember, when working with the last side, crochet over that orange tail end when doing that last 3 double crochet. Then chain 2 over the 3 double crochet and slip stitch to the first stitch. Fasten off the end. At this point, you have some decisions to make. We can end the granny square part at this point and just put a single crochet border around it. Or we can continue making more rounds of granny square to make the square larger. So if you choose to make more rounds, you'll place your corner stitches in the corner on the next round. And over double crochet, you'll chain 2. And over chain 2s, you'll do the 3 double crochet. And you'll do corner stitches in the chain 3 of the corner stitches. And repeat for all other sides. When you are finished increasing the size of your granny square, you might want to put a single crochet border around it. You'll start with a slip knot on your hook. We'll start in the corner and make a slip stitch. Then chain 1, which does not count as a stitch. Make 3 single crochet stitches in this corner, remembering to crochet over the tail end. I'm going to crochet over that tail end a bit more. Over the 3 double crochet stitches, make 1 single crochet above each of the 3 stitches. Now we can trim the yarn. Over chain 2 spaces, we place 2 single crochet in them. And over the 3 double crochet, we place 1 single crochet above each of them. And 2 single crochet in the chain 2 space again. 1 single crochet above each of the 3 double crochet. And there's our first corner and side completed. Now for the next corner, we place 3 single crochet stitches in it. And then along this new side, we follow the pattern that we did before. Above the 3 double crochet, we place 1 single crochet in each of the 3 stitches. And 2 single crochet in each of the chain 2 spaces. You'll continue following this pattern around. Remember to crochet over that yellow tail end a few stitches beforehand, and then trim it. Finish the last several stitches, then fasten off the blue yarn. You will have to weave in just the 1 remaining end this time. Be sure to check out my other video of how to join granny squares. And that's how I crochet a granny square.